For over 4,000 years, wealth has evolved from trading leather to gold, then silver, then finally paper money. Each of these shifts made wealth easier to use and access. And now we are witnessing the biggest financial transaction of the past 100 years, cryptocurrency. Just like early investors in gold or in the stock market built fortunes, crypto offered once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to create wealth with fewer barriers and more accessibility than ever before. In this video, I will explain to you how you can start investing in crypto in 2025, step by step, so you don't miss out the massive opportunity we are currently living. Let's get started. First thing first, the most important rule ever. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. I know everyone keeps saying the same thing, but keep in mind that crypto moves more fast than you might be imagining. Imagine that as fast the price can go up, they can also crash and go down hard. So until you understand more about the whole ecosystem and how all of this works, make sure you keep your risk management on point. The first thing you need to do as a crypto beginner is understanding what you are buying. No matter which coin is it, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or even memes, there are thousands of options out there. What you need to do is make sure that you actually know what you are buying, what it does, and what are the ups and the downsides. To keep it simple, imagine Bitcoin as the digital gold, which meaning that hold values just like the real gold. Then we have Ethereum, which bring contracts to life but all on-chain. Then we have Solana, which everyone knows as the insanely fast DeFi and NFT crazy chain. And then meme coins, which are pure madness and craziness. Well, in my opinion, if you are a beginner, you should be looking for the blue chips. The blue chips are the ones that already have a very solid community. They are out there for a very good time and they have a solid price. So some of them like Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and besides Bitcoin, of course. The second thing you need to know as a crypto beginner is how to buy and sell crypto. As a beginner, you should start using centralized exchanges or SECs. Yeah, I know. Something like Bitget or Crypto.com are perfect examples. These centralized exchanges work like currency exchange office in real life, where you swap one currency for another. And just like those places, they charge a small fee for this service. But you don't need to worry, they are really very small, and also use the links that I'm gonna leave in the description. You also receive a refund as a cashback. Now, besides using a centralized exchange, you should also consider using a separate wallet, like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Phantom, Ledger, Hard Wallet, and many other options. I also gonna be creating some videos where we're gonna talk about many of these options. The difference between you have your coins in a centralized exchange and having in your own wallet mean that you have the full control of your assets. Which leads us to this fact that you're gonna have more responsibility just like your real life wallet. Imagine that if you have cash in the bank and the cash disappear, the bank will find ways and will provide about what happened with that. Now, if you have cash in your wallet and you lose your wallet, no one will be able to help you. So the same thing applies here. If you lose your wallet, if you lose your keys, your password, all your funds are lost completely. But also don't worry about that because we're gonna be covering up about all of these different details in upcoming videos. The third thing you should know as a crypto beginner is when should you buy or sell. So as a beginner, focus on the big picture. Crypto is still extremely new to the world, and the fact that you are already here buying puts you ahead of most people. So while you are a beginner, focus on DCA, which is dollar cost average. This means that you're gonna be buying little every week or every month instead of going all in at once. This is gonna help a lot to smooth the price and lower the risk as well. Just think like if you have started buying Bitcoin once in a month for the last 5 years, you would have a lot of money right now. So the same logic applies for 5 years from now. So the price you are buying today actually won't matter in the big picture. The last thing you should always keep in mind as a crypto beginner is that scammers or malicious individuals love crypto. So always stay attention and on guard and protect yourself. Some quick tips like never share your seed phrase, which is for those that are using an independent wallet, or your password for those using a centralized exchange. Always double check all the links you are clicking. And before clicking and connecting your wallet to anything, make sure you are clicking on those that are verified from verified sources. So I will be leaving all the important links for those starting in the description below. And the last one that will save you a lot of trouble is if something looks too good to be true, probably isn't real. Scammers love to make things look shining and promising, and with the promise we have with Web3, quick money and people getting millionaires so fast, many of the beginners ended up falling for this trap. So stay vigilant all the time. At the end of the day, remember that crypto isn't just about making money. It's actually a new financial system where we actually have a voice. So start slow, start small, learn as you go, and don't chase the madness and the hype. If this video helped you somehow, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment below with what is the next thing you want me to break down in my next video. And don't forget to share this video with a friend that needs to start buying Bitcoin now.